Please, please. Why are you tasing? No, stop.
Hey, what are you getting out of the car for? No, you're going to stay right there. I pulled you over. Your license plates are expired. Your license plates are expired.
Is there anybody else in the car with you? Yeah. Okay. Sit down in the car, please. Have you seen the car?
Like I said, what's the reason you guys pulled me over for?
My man.
Right here is the first major mistake. The driver immediately turned a routine traffic stop into a confrontation by refusing to follow simple instructions. What should have been a 2-minute citation is already escalating. Question for you. Would you argue first or handle the ticket and deal with it later?
My man.
You see police lights, you don't just hop out of the car and go on about your business because you don't know why you got pulled over.
My man, keep your hands
Yeah,
in the
because I saw you since over there. I saw you were going to pull me over. I knew you were on bullshit. So like I said, what are you
I'm on
pulling me over
bullshit?
for?
All right, come over here.
Yeah, what are you pulling me over for?
Come over here. I told you why. Right there. Your plates are expired. So I'm not on bullshit. So let's start this over. So we're going to stop. You're going to give me your driver's license.
Okay, so my license is expired.
Your license plate's expired, yes. So I'll need your driver's license and your proof of insurance for this car.
I don't think those are expired already.
Well, I mean, it's what you know what day today is? Today is October 31st, which is after September,
right?
right?
Get my ticket for this then, and then be on my way.
So you got to give me your driver's license and proof of insurance.
Well, everything's under that place, so
Okay, I'm not asking you for that. I'm asking you for your driver's license and proof of insurance.
I'm telling you, you could go out.
I'm telling you to give me your driver's license and proof of insurance. If you don't give me your driver's license, I'm going to assume you don't have one, and therefore I'm going to arrest you, and then I'm going to tow your car.
You're going to arrest me for an assumption that you're wrong about?
Okay, you don't give me your driver's license.
Look at what you're talking about. You don't make no sense.
Give me your driver's license.
For what? You could go
I
out
told
by the
you why.
plate.
Are you going to give me your driver's license, or am I going to arrest you and take you to the station?
Can I just get my ticket?
If you would give me your driver's license, yes, I would love to give you a ticket.
My man, you have
This is the turning point. In most traffic stops, drivers are legally required to identify themselves and provide a valid driver's license. Refusing to do so gives officers a completely different situation to handle. One decision has now changed everything, and the consequences are about to snowball.
My man, you have to, by law, give him your driver's license.
I don't, though.
You
because
do.
I'm telling him he could go out by the plates.
My man,
Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
Hands behind
Wait,
your
for
back.
what?
Don't fight.
I'm not fighting.
Don't fight. You want to play games. You wanted to play games.
Wow.
You fight, I'm going to take you down.
Why is this going to happen?
Put your hands behind your back.
Dude, I need help. Can you call your sergeant?
Get him down.
Hey, Rob, hold me, bro. Put your hand behind your back. Why are you tasing me? No, stop.
Move.
Okay.
Put your hand behind your back.
Okay. Hey, okay.
Put your hands behind your back.
Record this shit, bro. Hey, record this shit. Grab my phone and record this. Hey, record this, bro. What
Victor 1, I got one in custody. Sorry, Victor 2 right.
All over a driver's license.
Y'all couldn't. I was asking y'all a question. What is your problem?
You in the fucking game.
Stop f***ing moving.
Stop.
You need
The tension is now at its peak. Both sides are talking, but nobody is listening. Every second of resistance increases the risk of more force being used. It's a reminder that once an arrest begins, arguing rarely helps. In fact, it often makes the situation much worse.
You need to calm down.
I was asking this question.
Motherfucker, we asked you for your driver's license. You play games.
I was only asking questions.
No, you
You're
don't.
being done. Get the f*** up. You're under arrest.
Roll over. You play games.
Oh, my
Everybody's
hand.
got games.
Oh, my hand. Dude, look, my hand, please. Can you please fix my hand?
He's not going to help you anymore.
Dude,
We're
because
done.
I'm asking questions.
Roll over.
You guys.
Sit up. Roll that knee. We're going to roll. Ready? 1, 2, 3, roll. Atta boy. Let's go. Next
Here's
up.
mine.
No, let me call my...
No, you ain't calling nobody.
Dude,
You're under arrest.
dude, you're not getting it. You're not getting it.
Please, please, please.
Freakout down is over.
Dude, let's go.
Because you're playing games. Yes, you are. Hey, call your sister. Get in the car. Get in, call your sergeant, please. I'm not calling anybody. Get on your sergeant.
Oh my God. Get in the car.
Dude, can you call your sergeant?
Get in the car. You can talk to the station. Get in the car. She'll be in there to talk to you. Get in.
Child, get up.
Stop acting like a child. Get up.
Dude, I just wanted to talk to somebody.
You talk to nobody. Get in the car.
You are under arrest. Your rights are
Why?
gone.
Why am I under
Get
arrest?
up.
Why am I under
We
arrest?
told you.
No, you didn't.
Yes,
You
I
just
did.
told me to
Get the
put my
fuck up and
hands.
get in the car.
Why am I arrested?
I told you, get up.
Why? Can you please tell me,
Because you
please?
didn't give me your driver's
Notice how the conversation has completely shifted. This isn't just about expired license plates anymore. The officers are now explaining that the arrest is tied to resisting and failing to provide identification. A simple traffic violation has evolved into multiple criminal charges in just a few minutes.
You didn't give me your driver's license. Now you're under arrest for fighting the police like 7 cops. Get up, get in the car, you're going to jail.
I was not denying you my license.
Yes,
I
you
was
are.
asking questions.
Bro, it's all on body camera.
I
Get
asked
up.
you one time, that's all I have to ask.
Janargo, I do
Listen
know.
to me. Listen to me carefully, okay? You are under arrest. Just don't interrupt. Let me talk. I'll let you talk. Listen, just hang on, okay? You're under arrest. You fighting it like this is only going to make things worse.
I just want to
This
speak
is what.
to
Hold on.
somebody.
This is what you need to do. You need to get up. You need to get in the car. When you get to the station, the supervisor will.
speak to somebody right
the
now,
supervisor's
'cause
at the station.
The
She's
way
going
you
to talk
guys
to you
treat
there.
me, it's just like,
The supervisor. It's all on body camera.
okay, and
So
I was
you're not
asking
helping.
questions.
Listen, you're not helping your
You guys are saying
situation.
that I wasn't complying. That's
My
not
man.
complying.
My man.
You're under arrest. That's the end of it.
You arrested me without probable cause.
You don't know what probable
Holy
cause
cow,
is.
you know nothing
have an
about
8th
the
grade
law,
education. Get up.
What are you talking
Get up.
about?
Let's go, man.
Get up, bro.
Dude, can I speak to somebody?
You will at the station.
No, right now.
No, you're going to the station. We're past that.
You guys asked me for my passport and everything. I was getting to that.
No,
It's the same thing, bro. Everything's above my passport.
Listen, you want to talk to the supervisor? You're not going to sit on the ground for 20 minutes.
Can I just talk to him right now? Then can you
Because
send
she's
me
at the
over
station.
there?
You got to talk to her there.
Why?
Get in
Can
the car.
call her over here?
No, this isn't where you think it is. Let's
By
go.
law,
Get
you
up.
guys can have to call her here,
You are
please.
100% incorrect again. Get up. You clearly need a law education. Get
No,
up.
I've been.
You do.
Dude,
You do.
please.
YouTube is not your friend. Get up.
Dude, what are you talking about?
Get up, dude.
You guys asked me for my license and everything. I was getting to that.
No,
you
you
just
weren't.
tucked me down.
You played games. Get up. Come on, you're going to the station.
For what?
Come on, let's go.
Please tell me for what.
We told you. You're fighting again. Come on,
dude. You're resisting.
You
Stop
are.
resisting.
You will at the station. Get in the car.
Hey!
We tried.
Grab me low! Dude,
you dare
please, I'm not resisting.
You're just gonna. Yeah, you are resisting.
Can I talk to him, please? Can I talk to
Get in
him?
the car. I'll bring him over here
Can
to
I
your
please
window.
talk to you?
Get in the car.
Dude, can I please talk to you?
Hey, sit in the car and no one's going to talk to you.
I want to
If you
talk
keep
to
like
somebody.
this, that's fine, but you're going to do it in the car. Get in the car, stop being like this,
I
and
just
then we'll
wanna
bring
talk-
your friend over here and Roberto can talk to you through the window, okay? You're an adult.
I want
Get
to
in the
talk
car
to
yourself.
somebody.
At this stage, everyone is repeating the same arguments, but nothing is changing. The officers want compliance, while the driver wants explanations. Unfortunately, the roadside is rarely where legal disputes get settled. Those arguments are far more effective in court than during an active arrest.
Somebody.
Okay, give us 5 minutes. Sit in the car. Dude, you're making a scene.
5 minutes, you guys could have talked to me out there before you guys did all
Get
this.
in the car, and then we will talk to you. Be an adult.
Please, I'm being
Yes.
an adult. You guys are being insubordinate right now. What is this?
Okay, that's fine. Get in the car.
I'll give you the definition of that when we get in the car. Come on. Get in
Can
the
I
car.
please just talk to
Get in
somebody
the car.
above you
can.
guys?
You're in the car.
Can I please talk to somebody
Dude,
above you
You
guys?
need to stop.
Look,
My
dude, he
man.
asked me for my license. I was
Brother, I was there. You obstructed the whole time. Get in the car.
Because I was like,
No, not because. See, you know you did. So
he's
get in the
over
car.
here saying that my license plate.
You and I both know you obstructed, and they were, and he showed you that. He did.
It says yes.
So,
I'm.
so we know you're expired. There's
Yes,
no probable
and-
cause
and
to
he-
stop you. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. He asked you for your license.
yes.
You played games.
No,
He
I
asked
told
you for
him
your license. No, buddy, it's on camera. It's going to be
Yes,
played
and
for
I'm
you.
gonna tell the same thing that I was getting to. And you guys just said,
No.
"All right, put your hand."
No,
What do you mean,
played
put my
games.
hand back?
Games won you this prize.
You guys didn't even give me the option to
no.
stop.
We played a game. You won a
No,
prize.
nobody's
Yes.
playing games. The
Buddy.
ones that are playing games are you guys right here
Right,
trying to arrest me for
No,
what?
we're not trying. You're arrested.
For what?
We already told you.
you
Obstruction,
didn't.
suspension.
How did I
We have to
obstruct?
identify you
How did I
by
obstruct?
not giving your driver's license.
I was getting to that.
Buddy,
You guys, I was talking to him.
You're still playing games.
I was literally talking to
Well,
him.
we don't
and
need it
he was
anymore.
like,
We'll get it. So you get in the car for us.
Dude, I was literally telling him. Yes, dude. Once again.
Because you're not doing it.
Sit in the car. Dave, fuck y'all gotta be so rough for?
Because we asked you 15 times, and you didn't.
See, look, now you guys are on bullshit. I thought you guys were gonna comply. Now you guys are saying the opposite?
What are you talking about? How does this work?
The containers from a dispensary.
Got to be traceable.
Yeah, but it is. I think they did change the statute as long as it's like sealed.
Like hearsay stuff.
Just weed?
Yeah, just blunts.
Is
blunts?
good?
Remember passenger good to go?
Sure. I had nothing on him.
Want this?
Yep. Fuck it. It was in his possession too.
Where was this? In the bag?
In the door.
Oh, no.
Oh, never mind.
This is his bag, right?
This is Gennaro's bag.
Yeah, just dump everything
I'm going to
there.
throw his passport
Yeah.
and his deal in here.
It's fine.
We got no reason to keep the car, right?
No.
No. I mean,
You come get it.
I don't recall getting battered. Did you get battered or no? He's just resisting.
Resisting.
Yeah.
This is obstructing.
And that's how a stop for expired tags ends with a list of far more serious charges. Whether you agree with the officers or the driver, one thing is clear: small decisions during police encounters can have massive consequences. What do you think? Could this entire situation have been avoided?